Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to blur iPhone home screen. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to wallpaper right here, tap on wallpaper, and here you will see the current wallpaper that you are using. If you want to blur the home screen, just tap on customize on the right side right here, and this will pop up. So you could either go with color, you could change it to gradient. You could also add some photos by tapping out the photo right there. But if you simply want to blur your current home screen page or home screen wallpaper, you just need to tap on blur right here at the right side. As you can see, it will highlight it to a blue color if it's turned on, and if it's turned off, it is grayed out right there. Once you're done, just tap on done the top right corner of your screen and you're good to go. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.